For the sake of a laugh, I will always hide the bad and willingly exhale in bliss and harmony. For the sake of your smile, I'll resign and make the right choice so that I'll be handed only magic. Give me a reason to wish for the dream. There are no seasons to fail, as it seems. For the sake of your arms, I can wait until the dawn and breathe the air around you like a hound dog. Don't let me cross the red line. Don't let me face the loss of you. How will I survive? Don't let me cross the red line. Don't let me face the loss of you. How will I survive? I'll survive. For the sake of who we are, shouldn't you be driving me insane with all your jokes about being a smart guy? For the sake of who we are, gonna make a drastic change and